Happy morning to all. My warm greetings to Honorable Chairman Ideal K. Sivalingam Sir, respected correspondent Selvamani Sivalingam Ma'am, Vice Chairman Mr. Arulmoli Varman Sir, Junior Correspondent Ms. Sneganandani Ma'am of Ideal and Others Institution, Principal Vice Principal of AVPS Andhiyu, Judge Principal of AVPS Palladam, and faculties of Others Institution. I wish happy Teachers' Day to all. Now, I invite Junior Correspondent Ms. Sneganandani Ma'am for deliver a short speech.
Good morning, everyone. A very happy Teachers' Day. Before we go into our debate, I would like to wish all our teachers a very, very happy Teachers' Day. This is the day where we get to congratulate, greet, and make our teachers happy, who taught us everything, including me talking in English. Right? Teachers are nothing but everything. They teach us everything. Teaching is not just a profession, it is a passion. It takes a lot of effort to train a lot of people under you, and when they get into a higher place, this is the only profession where you don't get jealous. It is the only profession where you feel proud of your children when they reach greater heights. So, it is my pleasure to wish everyone a very happy Teachers' Day once again. Coming to today's debate topic, that is smart work or hard work. According to me, I have seen both hard work and smart work in my life. It is not just me. I have seen our chairman sir as an example and pioneer of hard work, and our correspondent ma'am as a pioneer of smart work. It gives me very immense pleasure to see our children participating in debate competitions, art competitions, all competitions with so much enthusiasm and so much joy. They bring us so much happiness. Even though we are in this corona pandemic, our children never fails to make us happy. So thank you, children. We'll keep you engaged with activities like this that makes you happy every time. Thank you so much. I know this is the pandemic situation that we all got stuck in the house, and I know most of our kids miss your school. I have been getting news that you have been asking your teachers when can we see our school, we are missing our friends. So we have arranged a virtual campus tour for all of us, which will be soon released in our YouTube channel. I think that will get you into the feel of being in campus. So without undue delay, I would like to see how our children are presenting for this debate, smart work or hard work. Let's see. Yeah. Thank you.
On the event of Teachers' Day, our students are going to debate under the topic hard work and soft work. A small story. While raining, all the birds rest in shelter, but the wise eagle fly above the cloud to get rid of rain. Like that, some persons will work hard and some will work smart. Our students are very curious to give their views about hard work and soft work. From that, we can analyze whether hard work or soft work help us to achieve our goals easily. First of all, I invite Nivesh to give his views and ideas about hard work.
A warm greeting to respected chairman sir, correspondent ma'am, principal ma'am, and all judges and my dear friends. I am Nivesh from grade 9C. Today's topic is about hard work or smart work, which is the best. I think hard work is the best because through hard work we gain knowledge and experience. This helps us to do work smartly in the future. It motivates you and keeps you energetic in your life, which is a definite path to success. Hard work teaches us patience, discipline, dedication, and determination. Hard work helps us to do smart work. That means we can then analyze shortcuts to do the same amount of work. But smart work sometimes makes us lazy, as we get used to doing less amount of work and get more output. To work smartly, at first we need a knowledge about the work, which comes only with hard work and experience. Hard work is definitely more important to us because it is only through hard work we can achieve the goals of our life. Hard work is the first step towards smart work. Through hard work, we gain experience. It helps us to discover many new things. This experience enables us to think smartly to solve a critical problem and achieve success. It is only hard work will bring you more and more opportunities to showcase your talents and skills to the world. We will feel self satisfied after we get our desired outcome through hard work. The result of hard work will be more appealing to us because we put a lot of effort into achieving it. For example, we all know about the story, The Tortoise and the Rabbit. In that story, the tortoise wins the race because of its hard work. And so, friends, I'm saying that hard work never fails. Work hard and you will achieve everything in your life that you think. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Excellent, Nivesh. Your attitude is nice. Yes, hard work is the pathway to smart work. Now, I invite Nivedita to give her ideas about soft work.
A warm welcome to respected correspondent ma'am, judges, principal ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. The question for today is, which is better, hard work or smart work? I am Nivedita from grade 10 in Adarsh Vidyalaya Public School, here saying that smart work is better than hard work. Before starting my debate, I would like to start off with a quote by Bill Gates. I choose a lazy person to do a hard job because the lazy person would find an easy way to do it. By saying this, I do not mean that we should be lazy, but we must work smart. If you are not smart, then your hard work won't pay off. As my opponent team says that hard work is better than smart work, I would like to suggest them to prefer donkeys over horses. Usually, donkeys are valued less than horses because donkeys work hard exactly as the master says, whereas horses listen to the master but with some level of its own smartness. And this is why people prefer horses over donkeys. From this example, we can understand the importance of smart work. SMART can even be abbreviated as specific, measurable, attainable, result-oriented, time-bound. Many successful leaders have been proven to be naturally smart workers. Smart work improves our innovative and thinking skills. It is really the need of the hour, whereas hard work consumes a lot of time and makes us feel bored. Hard work doesn't allow us to fully use our brains, and as a result, we put more physical effort, and this quickly leads to exhaustion. It makes us feel tired and lose energy. But smart work allows us to be more organized. Through smart work, your goals can be achieved faster. Smart work will make you happier, innovative, intelligent, intellectual, and more. With this, I would like to conclude by saying that working smart is better than working hard. Also, working smart is not everybody's cup of tea, surely. Thank you.
Nice, Nivedita. The story of donkey versus horse. You said is very nice. Now, I invite Shonika to give her ideas about hard work.
Good afternoon to correspondent ma'am, chairman sir, principal ma'am, teachers, judges, and my dear friends. I am Sonika from grade 9A. Before starting my debate, I would like to thank to all to giving me this golden opportunity to speak about my opinion in this debate. We all gathered here to speak about the debate which is all about hard work versus the smart work. The hard work is very important than smart work because only through hard work we can gain knowledge and experience to achieve something in our life. Whereas the smart work often leads to the procrastination, dedication, shortcuts and laziness. To achieve something in life, we have to work continuously hard and we can get the result which is the summit of achievement in our life. The word hard, which means hope, achievement, reward and destiny. These four words are abbreviated form of hard. These all the words indicate as the victory of success in our life. Even though we can tell that hard work is better than the smart, the hard work provides us success in our life. Also, it teaches the discipline, determination, and discipline, patience, and dedication, intentions, and so on. We can tell that hard work is very most important. It is the key to success in our life. Many people said that some quotes about hard work. which is that hard work is the key to success in our life. Hard work does not necessarily guarantee the success, but there is no success without hard work. Here can tell that hard work is that which is hard work teaches or beats the talent when the talent does not work hard, and there is no subsistence without hard work. The hard work is the fruit which is the sweetest with success. When a person works hard, they can get the knowledge and experience. We can tell that only through hard work we can gain knowledge and experience, in which we can then get the smart work, which means we can then analyze the shortcuts and save the time to work the same amount of work. And we can tell that smart work is the fruit of hard work, which means the hard work is like a tree and the smart work is like a fruit, which is that without tree there is no fruit, which means without hard work we can't get the smart work. The hard work is the beginning of our life, in which after step by step we can get the smart work. The hard work is the only way to success in our life. There are many examples, which means many people in their early age had succeeded in their life. For example, Arunima Singha is a woman who had succeeded in life by climbing the mountain. He works hard. He does not work smart. He works hard and he put lot of effort and he climbed up the mountain. While he climbing, his leg is fractured, but he doesn't mind that. He doesn't give up. He again and again works hard and he achieves the success of victory. Even though Abraham Lincoln have become the president of America, in which he works hard, and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam have become doctor, scientist and the missile man of India by working hard in his earlier age and studies lots of books, magazines and newspapers in his earlier age, in which he studied a lot. Even though we can tell that Thomas Alva Edison, who discovered the bulb, he doesn't discover the bulb within 1 minute. He doesn't discover the bulb within a minute. He works hard and hard. He failed 10,000 times and he works hard. He put lot of hard effort and he succeeded. Before he succeeded in inventing the bulb, he works 21 hours per day and sleep only 3 hours, in which he works hard, and he invented the bulb. And he said that I not failed 10,000 times, I have experienced it 10,000 times, which means the hard work does not mean to fail. It means that we have experienced knowledge and we succeeded. This is the best example of Thomas Alva Edison. Even though we can tell that farmers they will yield of fields in the land, which means they also works hard in their fields, and which means they are putting a crop of seed by planting the seed on the field, and they drop waters and they protect the crops from plants and animals by eating, which means they also works hard. These are the many examples in which the people works hard to give their hard effort to succeed in their life. And we can tell that we should not go as a shortcut way in our life. There must be some hard effort. Even though the Bruce Lee said that I not fear about the person who kicks the ball. I not fear about the person who kicks the ball one kick with 10,000 ball. But I feared about the man who kicks 10,000 times a one ball. Which means that Bruce Lee does not fear about the man who kicks one kick with 10,000 ball, because he doesn't experience and gain knowledge. He just achieved, that's all. But which men have experienced and gained knowledge while kicking 10,000 times a one ball, which means he had experienced 10,000 times by kicking one ball. And Gary Player said that the harder you work, the luckier you get. It is 100% correct, which means there is no subsistence for hard work. in which my conclusion is that the harder you work, we can gain knowledge and experience. The hard work, which means we can get knowledge. But the smart work, it means only to success. I hope that you are a genius to think that hard work is better than the smart work. The hard work will never go waste because those who work hard will be crowned with accomplishment because their hard effort will never go back to the vain. My conclusion is the hard work is the best key to success in our life. In our day-to-day life, we have to take charge and work hard. I hope that the genius persons like you will work hard and reach the top of your success of victory. Thank you.
Yeah, hard work teaches discipline, determination, and patience. Now, I call Harishmita to submit his views about hard work in support of Sonika.
A warm welcome to respected correspondent ma'am, chairman sir, principal ma'am, teachers, judges and my friends. Work is important to do. It takes us to the next level of success. There are two types of work. One is hard work and another one is smart work. Hard work. Hard work includes physical effort with less planning. But smart work includes efficient planning with less effort. In this debate, the topic is which is best, whether the hard work is best or the smart work is best. Before that, I am going to share you a small story. Once upon a time, there was a poor laborer who worked very hard every day, breaking stones from near hills and selling it in the market. He is working hard every day, but the money is not enough to run his family. So, one day, he went to the shop of an artisan to sell these stones. And next day, he saw that the artisan was selling beautiful stones to the merchants for 1,000 rupees. The labor asked to the artisan, "Where did you get these beautiful stones?" The artisan replied, "These was the same stones which you sold me yesterday. I made that more attractive and beautiful artifact by my workmanship." The labor became very sad and said, "If there is no value for my hard work, I am working 9 to 10 hours daily, but I am getting 100 to 200 rupees. But you are sitting in your shop and you are getting 1,000 rupees. You are not working as hard as me, but your earning is 10 times more than mine." From the story conclusion is, smart work is better than the hard work. Smart work, full form of smart work. S for specific, M for measurable, A for achieving or attainable, R for relevant, T for time based. Smart work can know that time is precious. There are more and more advantages of smart work. Smart work improve our creativity thinking skill. It teaches time management skill. It saves lot of time and allow us to be more organized. Through smart work, our goal can be reached faster. Smart work enhance our productivity. My conclusion is, smart work is better than the hard work. Work smart, not hard. Thank you for giving me this beautiful opportunity.
Harishmita, the story you share is really true. Now, I invite Gurudeep to support his friends. The smart work is best.
Warm welcome to Chairman Sir, Correspondent Ma'am, Principal Ma'am and all my judges and my dear friends. I am Gurudeep from grade 10B. In today's topic about hard work or smart work, I am preferring that smart work is best because smart work improves our innovative and creative thinking skills and also improves our concentration power when we think. You take hard work. In hard work, we need to work hard and also we need to put lot of effort. So it takes more time to complete the work. By thinking in smarter way, we can complete our work soon and also reduce our working time. Because of smart work, worker can have more free time. Smart work teaches us the importance of time management skills in nowadays technology and fast moving times. So, smart work is need of the hour. If we work hard, sometimes it may fail. So, we will very difficult to cope up with it. We will become more stressed and also it will injure our health. Okay, let me tell a story about smart work. A king had three sons as he was aging. So he gives a task to his three sons to fill a room with only one substance. No slightest gap should be left in that room. First son take a substance which is called stone and kept in that room. Second son bring the bath the substance hay. And third son bought the small bottle containing liquid and sprinkled all over the room. After an half an hour, king went to examine the first two rooms. It had minute gap between them, so they failed their task. Then he entered to the third room with the smell of jasmine fragrance. Not a single corner left without the smell. Then third son became the king. So I am conclude that smart work is best. Thank you.
Smartly and slowly, you submit your points about smart work. Next, I invite Mirula to insist her hard work is best.
A warm greetings to beloved Chairman Sir, Correspondent Ma'am, and respected Principal Ma'am, teachers and judges, and my lovely friends. I am Mirula from grade 98. I am here to share my opinion that hard work is more better than smart work. Hard work is the first step towards smart work. There is no shortcut to success. The hard work tells us discipline, dedication, and determination. So, hard work is more important because it helps to achieve the goals of our life. Smart work, on the other hand, often leads to shortcuts and procrastination. Through hard work, we gain experience. It helps us to discover many new things. This experience enables us to think smartly to solve many critical problems and achieve success. To achieve anything in the life, one has to commit the continuous hard work to achieve the summit of achievement. Only one persistent effort can turn our goals into reality. Smart work may make us lazy. It often leads to do less work and get more output. Smart work may not yield results. Hard work beats talent when talent does not work hard. The result of hard work may more applicable to us because we get the satisfaction we put lot of effort to work. And guys, to success, if you want to be success in the long run, you have to put lot of work. So, and also a dream cannot become reality without sweat, determination, and hard work. If our freedom fighters did not work hard to get independence, we might be a slave for uncertain period of time. There is a saying in English, work hard in silence and let success mix the noise. So, thank you for the golden opportunity.
Thank you, Mirula. Nice points. Now, I invite Brinda Sri to submit the points to oppose Mirula's words.
Warm greetings to dear correspondent ma'am, teachers, judges and my dear friends. I am Ms. Brindashri from grade 10A in Adarsh Vidyalaya Public School. Our question today is, which is better, hard work or smart work? Well, on this question, I would prefer smart work and I am here to say a few words on it. Smart work is a magical word with lots of different meanings. It means that spending less amount of time performing some work. In the case of hard work, we should work hard and spend long hours to complete the work. But in the case of smart work, I would be aiming for the same results but with planning some shortcuts on it. I would like to say one story based on smart work. There were two woodcutters. Both of them argued which of them will cut more tree during a day. The first woodcutter started doing his work sincerely, while the second woodcutter stopped his work for every 10 minutes. The first one realized his chance and started doing his work sincerely with a smell of victory. The second one stopped his work each 10 minutes again and again. The first woodcutter asked the second woodcutter, "Have you finished your works fastly?" The second woodcutter replied that when you are cutting a tree, I sharpen my knife. So friends, from this conclusion, you may know that why smart work is better than hard work. Through smart work, your goals can be reached faster and you may not get bored like doing exercise, doing something, etc. So friends, smart work is better than hard work.
Excellent, Brindashri. Now, I welcome Sabdavedi to share his views about hard work.
Good evening, Chairman Sir, Correspondent Madam, HM Sir, Principal Ma'am, and Honorable Judges, and my colleagues. First of all, I thanks to give this opportunity for me to speak in this debate. Today, I want talk about hard work or smart work, which is better. I prefer only hard work because it is a key way of success, and it is a great deal of effort or endurance. Okay, for this I'm tell a small example, which is that how many knows KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken shop, a big fast food shop. It founded by Colonel Handland Sander. First he sell a fried chicken in wheelbarrow or small cart. He put effort and more effort and hard work. He built a little shop, and then he built a big shop, and now he built so many branches in all over the world, but like big legend of the fast food. This is a one example of hard work and effort. He put hard work and effort, so he became a legend of the fast food we talk now also. Another example is Edison. Edison worked for his invention in 21 hours per day, and he slept 2 hours or 3 hours in per day. He put more effort and hard work. He invented so many things and he became a great scientist. So we put more effort and hard work, we definitely success in our life, but it take long time. For like Sundar Pichai, he study in Mumbai and he go to Chennai. He put hard work. He go to New Delhi, and he is a CEO of Google. And another example is Gandhiji, Nehru. They put more effort and hard work, so we get freedom today also. Okay, I differentiate the hard work and smart work by one small story, which means a two rat. Which two rat? The two rat are searching a food for it that day. They are going to the kitchen. There was a curd bowl. They are not noticed, so they are searching fastly. Suddenly they are slept and fall down the curd bowl. Okay, curd bowl. They are afraid and not thinking we are not escaped from that bowl. The first rat think like a smart, like which the second rat will help us. We come out from the bowl, but the second rat not like that. The second rat put more effort and hard work, run the bowl so fastly, and it make into a butter, and he escaped from the bowl. By this story, what I am saying, we put effort and hard work, then only we alive and survive this world, in this world. And other example and great inspirational and role model for us is our chairman sir. Yes, because first he started a small tutorial college. After he put more effort and hard work, he built a ideal and passed out so many students. It is a first success in his life. And other he put another day by day he put more effort and hard work. He became a role model and inspiration for us. So be sportive do hard work and effort, definitely we achieve our life and success in our life. So many people are understanding a wrongly way which doing a hard work. Hard work had a principle, 80-20 principle or Pareto principle. The most people are asking, what is that boy is speaking differently? That's not. 80-20 percentage principle means we put 20 percentage of hard work and effort, we get 80 percentage of result. So be sportive, be energetic and motive, put hard work, definitely we get a success in our life. Thank you again for giving this opportunity to talk in this debate.
Thank you, Sabdavidhi. Hearing KFC makes us drooling. I invite Yogesh Aditya to insist soft work is the best.
Warm greetings to beloved Chairman Sir, Correspondent Ma'am, Principal Ma'am, teachers, judges and my dear friends. I am Yogesh Aditya from grade 10B. I am going to speak a few lines about smart work. We have heard that work smart, not hard. But why are so many people still working hard to reach their goals? Successful men work smart, not hard. Let me give a few examples. Ages back, cavemen carried stones and other huge rocks from one place to another. But modern man, by his smart thinking, made a wheelbarrow to easily carry stones from one place to another. Early bird gets the first worm, but the wisest bird gets the fastest one. When NASA began to launch astronauts into space, they found that pen wouldn't work at zero gravity. To solve this problem, they took 1 decade and $12 million. Finally, they developed a pen that worked at zero gravity. But Russia used pencils because they used their mental skills and got the efficient solution. Smart working is to be creative and looking for the ways to get our work done faster and easier. Hard work needs lot of physical efforts, while smart work is done through planning and without any stress. Smart work improves our innovative skills. It teaches us time management, which is needed for the modern world. Therefore, I conclude by saying smart work beats hard work. Thank you all.
Yogesh Aditya. Now, I welcome Yoha Sri to share her views on hard work.
Respected correspondent, my teachers and my fellow mates, a warm welcome to one and all present here. Myself Yogesh Sri of grade 12. I take this opportunity to present my views in favor of hard work. Hard work is the real wealth of a man. No one can achieve success without doing hard work. Hard work is the key gateway to success. Hard work has turned a person from selling newspaper to becoming India's president, none other than Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Missile Man of India. He said that confidence and hard work are the best medicine to kill a disease called failure. It will make you a successful person. Farmer works hard day and night in all seasons. During summer, he works under the heat of the sun, while during winter, in spite of dull and cold climate, he works very hard. Without his hard work, we wouldn't have access to food. If Mahatma Gandhiji and great other leaders of our country had not worked hard, then we still be slaves. According to Einstein, genius is 1% talent and 99% hardworking. Laziness is a curse on an individual, but hard work is a boon to him. Man has brought heaven on earth through his hard work. The reward of one's hard work is mental satisfaction, which brings peace of mind. The hard work is the price that we pay for the success in our life. When you look for a strong purpose, then hard work isn't an option, it's a necessity. No great achiever, even those who made it seem easy, ever succeeded without hard work. Hard work is not injurious to health, it's rather conducive to health. There is no substitute for hard work, said Thomas Edison. Yes, he had conducted over 10,000 experiments to perfect his light bulb filament and over 15,000 experiments to get his nickel ion storage. Without his hard work, we couldn't imagine the world without light. A reporter raised a question to Edison about his failure as he had failed more than 10,000 times. He just replied, I have not failed. I have found 10,000 ways that won't work. Smart work is the fruit of hard work, and to master the qualities of smart work, one need to just really work hard. Arise, awake, and stop not till your goal is achieved. By Swami Vivekananda says to all human beings, in order to succeed in life and achieve your goal, you must really do hard work. This quote by Swami Vivekananda really inspires us to do hard work and succeed in life. I would like to conclude my speech by stating, work hard in silence, let success make the noise. Thank you.
Excellent Yoga Shri. So far, the students shared their views about hard work and software. Now, I invite our judge, Mrs. Aarti, Principal of ABPS, Palladam, to give the judgment of today's debate.
Hi everyone. First, I would like to congratulate the teacher, students who participated, the principal for arranging this debate during this pandemic. I would like to say my sincere thanks to the management for giving such an opportunity during this pandemic time. The title says hard work versus smart work. Hard work never fails. As per the saying, hard work needs to be a dedicated, continuous effort which help you to taste the success. The smart work, which have a depth knowledge, saves time, understand your goal with a short time duration. Though hard work we gain experience which help us to discover new things, which in turn help us to realize the smart work. During this technological moving fast era, we need smart people. Smart work is the fruit of hard work. I repeat, smart work is the fruit of hard work. Thank you all.